Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome to my channel, Feta 50. Thank you guys for being with me today. So today's recipe is one that went viral on TikTok and then subsequently made its way into many of our kitchens, including mine, you guys. The recipe is a baked feta pasta. Oh my gosh. The thing that attracted me to it is, first of all, feta cheese, and the fact that it is going to be paired with some garlic and some tomatoes, olive oil, and baked in the oven. The simplicity of it all, you guys, absolutely phenomenal. Now, you guys know that I follow a low carb diet, so instead of me tossing this deliciousness with pasta, I am going to pair mine with this spaghetti squash. And this is something that I purchased from Thrive Market, which is an online market that allows you to shop by diet type, whether it be paleo or keto or vegan, and you can have fresh, delicious produce delivered straight to your home. So you guys, if you are interested in knowing how I am going to put all of this together and keep it low carb, then stay with me. I'll show you how coming up next. All right, everyone, so I have everything here in front of me to put together this baked feta pasta dish. So we are going to start by putting some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil that is, into our baking dish. And all the ingredients and measurements are on the screen. Okay, next I'm going to take my cherry tomatoes, followed by some red bell pepper, then some red onion, some cloves of garlic, some lemon zest. You guys, can you smell this with your eyes? Absolutely delicious. Okay. Next, we're going to sprinkle on a little salt, some Italian seasoning, some ground black pepper, and now it's time to give all of this a mix. And you guys, this looks and smells so good. I tell you, I can get a fork and just eat this exactly the way it is. But of course, we are going to take it up a notch by putting in this feta cheese and then letting all this bake in the oven, which, by the way, has been preheated to 400 degrees. All right, let's move some of this mixture aside so that we can put this fresh feta cheese block right in the center. And here we have it. And what we're gonna do is make sure that it is coated with some of this olive oil sauce. Okay. Oh, look at that, you guys. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it is picking up this olive oil and the herbs. Spread it around and get some more on this side. See that? Absolutely delicious. Okay, all right, so back into the center this goes. And you guys, this recipe is ready to go into this oven. And we are going to let this bake for about 40-45 minutes. And we are going to check on it. And if these tomatoes have burst, then this is going to be ready. Okay, everyone, here we have it. These tomatoes have blistered. Oh my gosh, this stuff smells amazing. The garlic is soft. The feta cheese has a golden brown to it. And now at this point, it's just a matter of taking a spoon and just mashing everything. So once I finish mashing these veggies, I'm going to mix in this feta cheese and then sprinkle it with a little parsley and get ready to serve this. And you guys, look how creamy this has become. Wow. Okay, so now at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and mix in this feta cheese. Oh. And there we have it. Now it is ready to go ahead and serve with our pasta. Look at how creamy that is. All right, everyone. So at this point, typically what you would normally do is take your pasta and mix it in with this sauce. But because I'm a low carb, he's not household, I have made two different sides. I've got my spaghetti squash for me, and then there's some spaghetti for my husband. So what I'm gonna do is just put some of this sauce on top. And my meal is ready. Now, for my husband, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take his pasta, put it in this dish. Then I'm going to put some of this sauce on it. Give it a toss. Now, this is ready to serve him. Just take some of it and put it into his serving bowl. And this is his. I'm keto, he's not. But just as delicious, you guys. Okay, now it's time to give these a taste. Okay, you guys, it is the moment of truth. I already know this is good because, again, the fragrance of it all coming together, even before I baked it, I could actually have, again, taken a fork and just dug into those tomatoes and the garlic, the olive oil, and all those seasonings. Absolutely amazing. So, Lord, I thank you. Another one of these recipes. Don't walk, run to your refrigerator, to the store to get all the ingredients to put this together. Phenomenal. And the thing about it is, you would think it took hours to put this together. But in all actuality, just a little bit of prep work, one container, put it all together and put it in the oven and you are good to go. Delicious. I can see exactly the reason why this went viral on TikTok. So you guys, I am going to let you go. Please do make this, and when you do, leave in the comments just how phenomenal this is. Please remember to give this video a like and a share, and also please do subscribe to my channel if you've not yet done so below. The subscribe button is right there at the lower right side of your screen. You guys, remember, it is a great day. You continue to make it your own kind of special with delicious, easy, low carb for me, and he's not low carb meals for him. Until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you guys real soon on my next Fit 550. Enjoy.